Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to record a Zoom meeting into your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now into your phone you cannot directly record the Zoom meeting like in the computers or laptops. In this case there is only one solution that you should try. And this solution is third-party application. Now in order to record a Zoom meeting into mobile device, just simply open the Play Store and search for screen recorder application into Play Store and download any of the screen recorder application which have the good UI and records properly with the high quality. Or you can also use the video recorder of your cell devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.